Hi everyone, this is Turner again. So I know that several of us, myself included, have been having issues with uploading the videos that we record. Suddenly Schoology says it's too big. I recorded math videos for 3 years and they were never too big, but okay, we'll play the game. So I was on a Skype meeting this morning with Tyler trying to figure out the best way that I could help all of us figure this out. So at this point, the thought is to try to use OneDrive. So when you save your items, they save to OneDrive. And so I have my OneDrive that I'm going to open up. In my documents page is where my videos are. So if I scroll down to my videos, now the first time I did this, I did have to upload a video, but Tyler said that shouldn't happen. So if you have to upload a video, please let me know and I'll walk you through that. So if you do, you just click up here, click upload. But he said that shouldn't be. So in my read alouds for Everybody Books, I have Biscuit and the Little Pup. So that is the one that we are going to work with now. That is the one I have been fighting with all morning because my internet has not wanted to cooperate. So let's hope it works this time. So as you hover over the title of your recording, I recorded with my camera on my computer. I showed you how to do that saving thing before. Save it exactly the same way, only this time it will not only save it in your folder. So if I pop into my videos folder, into my Everybody Books, my Biscuit and the Pup is right there. So it is in my folder. It is also in my web version. So I'm going to hover over this. I'm going to click on the three dots and it's going to give me the option to copy the link. So we're going to copy the link. Down here, you just want to make sure that it is anyone with the link. It doesn't have to be somebody in USD 475. It doesn't have to be someone with existing access. It doesn't have to be someone specific, just anyone with the link, because our students all have the link when they log into Schoology, so it's not like some random person can get a hold of it. So you'll just want to make sure that one is chosen, and then you're going to apply it. And then it is going to create the shareable link. Okay, I always double tap the copy just because my computer, as I said, has been acting crazy. And then I'm going to go into Schoology. I'm in the library. I'm sorry, I meant to go back to this, but all of a sudden it started working. So you can either upload your materials right here in the library folder and I can move them where they need to be, or you can upload your materials into your specific folder. So I added myself into the specials teachers folder. So I'm going to go into add materials. I know that in the past, when I first did this video, I told you to create an assignment, but after talking with Tyler, we think that it would be better to go ahead and add a page. So we're going to click add page. And again, you're still going to name it Mrs. Turner and then the name of your book. Okay. And then you're going to come in here and you're going to click on insert content again. You're going to click that and then you're going to click link instead of image. And then you had copied the link from our OneDrive page. Control V will paste it for me. And then again, I'm going to title it Biscuit and the Little Pup because that's the name of it. And then I'm going to click insert. And as you can see, it is in blue in our work area. Okay. Then I'm going to come down here and this little icon right here, you have two options. You can display on a new page, which means when they have to click on it to find it, or you can display in line. When you display in line, it shows up right there for you. So I'm going to show you both. So if I display on a new page and I create it, then what will happen is it will just say Mrs. Turner read Biscuit and the Little Pup. So if you see up here with Mrs. Turner, Ruby and the Copycat, Ruby and the Copycat video is right there because I did it in line. So it's just one click instead of the students having to click on Mrs. Turner, Biscuit and the Little Pup and then click on something else. So I'm just going to come right over here, and in case you ever forget, you can just click edit. And I'm just going to come right down here and I'm going to click on what looks like the newspaper. And instead of display on new page, I'm going to go ahead and click display in line and I'm going to save my changes. And then what will happen is it pops up on your page and it's just a little bit easier. So I will go back and edit these. So in fact, let me show you how to do that now. We're going to edit it. Oh, we're not going to move it. I apologize. Nope, we're not going to edit it. We're going to leave it as is. I can go in and fix the ones that we've already created because you're just going to have to recreate all that stuff. So I will fix that, so don't worry about that. But right here, you just click on Biscuit and the Little Pup and the link will take them directly to OneDrive where hopefully this time they will have a story. I've done this 5 times, and every time it has told me there is no content there, and it's running very slow. I do apologize for that delay. My internet is running extremely slow today. I guess all of the children are online right now. So, and then your video will pop up with your picture. It doesn't matter how long it is. It doesn't matter anything, but here it is. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you for all you're doing.